Okay, so what is up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to show you how much profit you're leaving on the table if you're not actually using suppliers from alibaba.com to run your business. The Khan of gods! Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick example of how you might be losing money if you're not actually running your business with suppliers off of alibaba.com. In case you didn't know it, alibaba.com is an online B2B marketplace where you can actually pretty much find almost any product in over 200 categories that you can actually buy in bulk and resell for a ton of profit. So this is a page on my Amazon, right? This is US Amazon, obviously, and you can see this dual purpose charge brick for your iPhone. Now, I wanted this because, the iPhone 12 comes with the USB-C to lightning cable, while the regular iPhones like the 11 Pro Max and the 11 come with the regular USB-A to lightning cables. So this way you're able to charge more than one kind of iPhone if, So ultimately this charge brick gives me options like 2 colors, and they're going to cost me $19 before tax. After tax, that's roughly $21 if I have Amazon Prime and I don't have to pay shipping. And that's totally fine. I mean, it sounds reasonable. $20 for fast charge 20 watt PD, which is about what my iPhones are capable of anyway. And I'm able to use 2 different types of cables in case I find myself in a situation where I don't have one other type of cable. You'd think this was a great deal, but imagine this. If I come to alibaba.com and I make a search for the exact same thing, I am actually able to get a single unit of this item for $3.18 official pricing, which means I can still negotiate this down if I'm buying in quantity, and branding and printings and things like that that go on the bricks can be negotiated, and the kind of packaging that I want for every single unit can also be negotiated. So after shipping and everything, I am able to actually considerably the difference in the price, all other things being equal, from $3.18 to $19 before tax and maybe $21 after tax, is I'm leaving almost $18 on the table. $17 and change is essentially on the table. That's how much profit I could be making on every single unit of this product that I actually decide to sell. That's ridiculous to me. I mean, now, apply this exact same concept to every other category of products that you can possibly buy on alibaba.com. You could decide to do sunglasses, you could decide to do lingerie. You could even use the information from my previous video about how to actually do your research and figure out what the best-selling products are at the moment or generally in the year on alibaba.com, so that you can know what people are actually ordering from suppliers. Take that information and use it to figure out what products you want to actually sell or buy and sell, and then proceed to use that to figure out how to brand what you want to name your company or something. Ship all that stuff to your Amazon FBA after testing some test products, and you can make that much profit on every single product that you sell. If this doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what will, honestly. But that's about all I wanted to show you today. How much money you're leaving on the table if you're running your business with Amazon.com, for example, as opposed to using Alibaba.com for better prices. And remember, I pointed this out in one of my previous videos that almost everything that you're buying on Amazon.com actually came from Alibaba.com. So when you consider that, you can see that some smarter people have already used this exact business model for many, many, many years, and they've been making millions of dollars. Recurring sales, recurring purchases, recurring ships, and they're making tons of money from doing their business in this manner. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful for somebody. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace.